Alerting Paramedic 105 respond for the reported sick subject after a possible chemical exposure at Main Street Golf Company. It's reported to be in the landscaping building. Paramedic 105?
Paramedic 105 responding. Paramedic 105 is on location.
The EMS crew is going to be focused on initial patient care. Either an additional engine company or possibly splitting the crew can take the ZMac card and locate the clothing that's been removed from the person already. And because it still has a little bit of moisture on it, we're going to be able to push the papers onto the clothing, and hopefully we rule some things in and rule some things out. In this case, a closer look of the card looks like in the lower right there may be a positive change on that copper-based pesticide paper. A real closer look, we can see that that blue tinted liquid did indeed turn the paper pink. We also have some other information that we've been able to get from the ZMac card. We can see that if we go to Guide 131 in the ERG, it'll give us additional reference information, as well as the threshold needed to trigger a pink color change, which is greater than 10 parts per million on the copper-based pesticide. Initial isolation distance is 150 feet. That's, of course, based on a rail car quantity, which hopefully we don't have in this situation. Now let's take a closer look at Guide 131, specifically the health section. You can read the bullet points there, so we get some additional information about how it may be fatal if inhaled, ingested, or absorbed through the skin. Take a closer look at the first aid section. We can see that in case of contact with substance, immediately flush skin or eyes with running water so our treatment is right for at least 20 minutes. And there's additional information that the EMS crew can take into consideration as they communicate with both the receiving hospital and poison control. Our ZMac card is designed to help the first responder go from unknowns to known and combine that with reference material information.